Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMDC's online lecture room. I'm Associate Professor Sobia Rouge. This lecture is from Chapter 14 D and F block elements. Topic of this video lecture is iron. In this lecture we will discuss occurrence of iron, oxidation states of iron, role of iron as catalyst, reactions of iron, and by the end there will be an assignment. Questions from this topic are included in the previous BICEP papers. Year 2012 BICEP paper has the question, what are the important ores of iron? Write their names and formula. This question was included in section B. In 2015 BICEP paper, the question was included in section C. Write reactions of hexa-aqua iron 2 and hexa-aqua iron 3 with water and ammonia. So let's start discussing the properties of iron. Its atomic number is 26, mass number 55.8 AMU, and it shows two stable oxidation states of +2 and +3. Iron forms a variety of complex ions, for example hexa-aqua iron 2 and hexa-aqua iron 3. Compounds of iron are colored. In +2 oxidation state, it forms pale green salts, while in +3 oxidation state, its salts are yellow or brown. Iron does not occur in free state. Its ores include red hematite, brown hematite or limonite, magnetite, and iron pyrite. From iron ores, three commercial varieties of iron are formed, which differ in their carbon content. These include cast iron or pig iron containing 2 to 3% carbon, wrought iron or malleable iron containing 0.1 to 0.25% carbon, steel containing 0.25 to 2% carbon. The percentage of carbon in these varieties of iron is also asked in the MCQs. Oxidation states of iron. Most common oxidation states of iron are +2 and +3. Other oxidation states are +4, +5 and +6. Iron +2 is called ferrous iron. It is pale green in color and it is easily oxidized to iron +3 ions by the dissolved oxygen. Ferrous ions can be used as reducing agent. Complexes of ferrous ions have octahedral geometry. Iron 3 ion is called ferric iron. Iron 3 solutions are yellow or yellow-brown due to the formation of the complex ion hydroxo penta-aqua iron 3. Adding ferrocyanide solution to iron 3 ions, precipitates of Prussian blue are formed. This compound is used in making blueprints and bluing agent in the laundry. Here is a question from the exercise question 6 part 2. Why iron has variable valencies? The valential electronic configuration of iron is 3d6 4s2. Along with the outer 4s electron, iron also uses the 3d electrons to make bonds. That's why it shows variable valencies. Dear students, now let us discuss role of iron as catalyst in Haber's process. Haber's process is the commercial method for the preparation of ammonia. Without catalyst, this process proceeds in these steps. In the first step, the breaking of nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond is very difficult. The resulting compound is unstable and the formation of N2H2 is highly exothermic. Therefore, this process requires a catalyst. In the presence of the catalyst, this process takes place in three steps. First step is adsorption of nitrogen and hydrogen on the surface of metallic iron. Hydrogen molecule is adsorbed and splits into its atoms by sharing or exchange of electrons with the surface of iron. Nitrogen molecule is adsorbed on the surface of iron and then splits into nitrogen atoms and is locked on the surface of iron. Let's try to understand this with the help of diagram. हाइड्रोजन गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स एटम्स में स्प्लिट होकर आयरन की सरफेस पर एड्सॉर्ब हो जाते हैं. नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स आयरन की सरफेस पर एड्सॉर्ब होते हैं. एटम्स में स्प्लिट होकर दो आयरन एटम्स के दरमियान लॉक हो जाते हैं. सेकेंड स्टेप, रिएक्शन बिटवीन नाइट्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. हाइड्रोजन एटम आयरन की सरफेस पर माइग्रेट करके नाइट्रोजन एटम के साथ कंबाइन होते हैं और इस तरह से NH3 अमोनिया की फॉर्मेशन करते हैं which is still adsorbed on the surface of iron. You can observe this in the diagram. One nitrogen and one hydrogen atom are combined forming NH. फिर एक और हाइड्रोजन कंबाइन हो गया forming NH2, and here 3 hydrogens and 1 nitrogen forming NH3. This NH3 is still adsorbed on the surface of iron. Step 3. The ammonia formed on the surface of the iron is desorbed and is collected in the form of ammonia gas. You can observe this in this diagram, where this ammonia molecules formed are released in the form of ammonia gas, which is collected and is supplied for the further use. Now let's discuss another reaction where iron is used as catalyst, and this is the reaction between परसल्फेट ions and iodide ions. इस reaction में iron +2 और iron +3 catalyst use हो सकते हैं. The reaction is परसल्फेट ions, iodide ions, iron 2 is the catalyst, and the products are sulfate ion and iodine. If iron 2 is used as catalyst, the reaction takes place in these two steps, where persulfate ion first reacts with iron 2, which is the catalyst, forming sulfate ions and iron 3 ions. These iron 3 ions react with the iodide ions, forming iron 2 and iodine. In case of iron 3 is used as catalyst, then step 2 will become step 1, where iron 3 will react with iodide ions, forming iron 2 ions and iodine, and in the next step these iron 2 ions will react with persulfate ions, forming sulfate and iron 3. Next we are going to discuss a question from the bicep paper of 2015. Write the reaction between hexa aqua iron 2 and hexa aqua iron 3 with water and ammonia. First, reaction with water. Hexa aqua iron complexes undergo acid-base reactions with water. In case of iron 2, hexa aqua iron 2 reacts with water, forming a complex ion hydroxo penta aqua iron 2 and hydronium ion. In case of iron 3, hexa aqua iron 3 reacts with water, forming a complex ion hydroxo penta aqua iron 3 and hydronium ion. Iron 2 forms less acidic ions, while iron 3 forms more acidic ions. In case of alkaline solution, the hydroxyl ions remove hydronium ions and reaction proceeds in the forward direction until brown precipitates are formed, and here is the equation, where hexa aqua iron 3 reacts with hydroxyl ions of the alkaline solution, producing precipitates of the complex trihydroxo triaqua iron 3 and water. These are not the redox reactions because the oxidation state of iron does not changes. Reaction of iron 2 complexes in alkaline medium is energetically unfavorable. Reaction with ammonia. Ammonia acts as a base and removes hydrogen ions from the aqua complex. In case of iron 2, Hexa-aqua iron 2 ions react with 2 molecules of ammonia forming orange precipitates of dihydroxo tetra-aqua iron 2 and ammonium ions. In case of iron 3, hexa-aqua iron 3 reacts with 3 molecules of ammonia forming brown precipitates of trihydroxo tri-aqua iron 3 and ammonium ions. Ammonia can act as both base and ligand. Reactions of iron ions with carbonate ions. In case of iron 2 ions react with carbonate ions forming ferrous carbonate. In case of iron 3, hexa-aqua iron 3 ions react with carbonate ions forming a complex trihydroxo tri-aqua iron 3 and carbon dioxide gas is released. Test for iron 3 ions with thiocyanate ions. Hexa-aqua iron 3 ions react with thiocyanate ions, which may be sodium thiocyanate or potassium thiocyanate solution, and form a complex ion thiocyanato penta-aqua iron 3, which gives blood red coloration to the solution. By the end of the lecture, there is an assignment which is consisting of exercise questions. Question 1, part 7. What is the oxidation state of iron in ferric chloride? Question 6, part 1. Iron is used as catalyst in Haber's process while not in the preparation of sulfuric acid. Give reasons. Try to attempt these 2 questions. Thank you very much.